Welcome to Tech Leveler, and in this quick video I'm going to show you how to turn off cross-site tracking on your iPhone. So the iPhone has the ability to track your cookies that you're using on one site, and as you move to the second site it can track where you're going from there. Now a lot of people are not comfortable with the iPhone having the ability to track you from as you go from one website to the next. However, luckily it's quite easy to turn off. So let's first head over to the iPhone settings here on the home screen. Now on the main iPhone settings, let's scroll all the way down until we see Safari, and then once we found Safari, let's click into that here. Now within the Safari section, we're going to scroll all the way down until we get to the privacy and security section here. Now from here, what we want to tab on is this top one here, prevent cross-site tracking. You want to tab this from grey to green, like this. Now with this tabbed on, any cookie, what's being put on your phone by any application or website, it will not be able to track you as you move about, and then when you land on that new application or website, it'll have to treat you as a new visitor. Now this is a setting that you definitely want to turn on if you are concerned about applications and websites tracking you online. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.